Hi everyone and welcome back into my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use this amazing app, also the first part of this tutorial, so please stay with me until the end of this video and I will show you how it works. Let's start now, guys. So after you go right here, write the name at the search bar. Perfect, guys. Here it is, tap right here. All you have to do is to tap right here again. If you're using Android, everything will be automatically. In iOS, you have to do something that I will show you. But first, more important for me is to give a feedback, to say something about the tutorial or the way I will use this amazing app in my mobile device. So please say something, comment below or write in the chat box. If something is not going correctly, don't hesitate to comment below. At 100% we'll go at the settings. Okay, guys? So after that we should go at the settings and we'll see this one pop right here. Tap it, guys. All you have to do is to tap right here, and next, tap again, and down. Let's see, guys. Okay, perfect, everything looks just fine, so now let's enjoy the first part of this tutorial. Let's start now, guys. Let's see if everything is okay, guys. Perfect, it's starting now. So, it's starting now. Okay, guys, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like. I'll do a second video for the second part of this tutorial. That's it, guys. See you next video. Bye-bye.